Gazing on thy radiant face, the most lorn of Adam's race might forget all duller what divinest light is beaming over mountain, beach, and grove. That blue noontide sky above seems asleep and dreaming. Rich Italia's wild birds warble in the foliage of those trees. I can trace the Veronese in these rocks of marble, yet no mark I not where quiver the sun's rays on yonder stream. Only a person's self could dream such a sun and river. What bold imagining stony valley and fair bower of eglantine! Here I see the black ravine, there the lily-dally. This is some rare clime so olden, peopled not by men but fays, some long land of Jenny days, story full and golden. Oh, for magic power to wander one bright year through such a land. Might I even 1 hour stand on the blessed hills yonder? But what spy I, oh, by moonlight is the same, the pillared tower I have oft passed thrice an hour, twilight, sunlight, moonlight. What bold imagining stony valley and fair bower of eglantine! Here I see the black ravine, there the lily-dally.